Now this is chapter 5 of Exemplar, Continuity and Differentiability. This is example 1. Find the value of the constant k so that the function f defined below is continuous at x is equal to 0, where fx is equal to 1 minus cos 4x upon 8x square when x is not equal to 0, and this is equal to k if x is equal to 0. We are to find the value of this k. And what is given? This function, which is 1 minus cos 4x upon 8x square and x is not equal to 0, this is a continuous function. Now it is given that the function f is continuous at x is equal to 0. It means limit of fx as x tends to 0 is equal to f0. Now f0 is equal to k. If I substitute this value 0 here, so f0 is equal to k. So instead of f0, I am going to write k. Now here fx is, what is this function? 1 minus cos 4x upon 8x square, where x is not equal to 0. So limit of x tends to 0. 1 minus cos 4x upon 8x square is equal to k. Now write the formula for 1 minus cos 4x. That is 2 sine square half of the angle. Half of the angle means 2x. 4x, half of this 4x is 2x upon 8x square. That is equal to k. So limit of x tends to 0, sine square 2x upon 4x square is equal to k. Limit of x tends to 0, sine square 2x upon 4x square is equal to k. So limit of x tends to 0, this thing can be written as sine 2x upon 2x whole square is equal to k. So limit of sine 2x upon 2x as x tends to 0, that is equal to 1. It means if the value of k is 1, then it is a continuous function at x is equal to 0. Now example 2 is, discuss the continuity of the function fx is equal to sin x cos x. We know sin x is a continuous function and cos x is a continuous function. अगर हम sin x का ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते हैं या cos x का ग्राफ ड्रॉ करते हैं तो वो एक continuous function आता है. So sin x and cos x is a continuous function. And we also know product of two continuous function is a continuous function. This we know. So sin x and cos x, this is a product of sin x and cos x. So it is a continuous function. So hence fx is equal to sin x cos x is a continuous function. Now the third example is fx is equal to x cube plus x square minus 16x plus 20 upon x minus 2 whole square when x is not equal to 2. And this is equal to k if x is equal to 2. This is a continuous at x is equal to 2. Find the value of k. Now here in this question it is given this function is continuous at x is equal to 2. We are to find this value of k. Now fx is continuous function. So limit of fx as x tends to 2 is equal to f2. Now here f2 is k. If I substitute this value 2 here, so f2 is equal to k. f2 is equal to k, this is given. So limit of fx as x tends to 2 is equal to f2. f2 is k. Here instead of fx, I am going to write this function. So limit x tends to 2, x cube plus x square minus 16x plus 20 upon x minus 2 whole square is equal to k. If I factorize this polynomial, this will come out to be x plus 5, x minus 2 whole square upon x minus 2 whole square. And this is equal to k. Next page पर मैं आपको इसको factorize करना बताने वाली हूँ. But here I have written factors of this polynomial is this. Now this and this is cancelled. So limit of x tends to 2, x plus 5 is equal to k. Write 2 instead of this x, so 7 is equal to k. So this, since we are to find the value of k and this function is continuous, so value of k is 7. So this function is continuous when the value of k is 7. So मैं अब दूसरे पेज पर इसकी फैक्टराइजेशन बताने लगी. Now factors of x cube plus x square minus 16x plus 20. Substitute this value x is equal to minus 5 and this equation will come out to be 0. It means x plus 5 is a factor of this equation. Divide this polynomial with this x plus 5. You know the division, how to divide it. You will have x square minus 4x plus 4 quotient. X cube plus x square minus 16x plus 20 can be written as x plus 5 multiply this x square minus 4x plus 4. So factors of x cube plus x square minus 16x plus 20 is equal to x plus 5 x minus 2 whole square. So I have already solved this question on the previous page, and on this page I have explained कि आप इसके factors कैसे बनाओगे. Now this is example 4. Show that the function f defined by fx is equal to x sine 1 by x, x not equal to 0, and 0 if x is equal to 0. This is continuous at x is equal to 0. We are to show that this function is continuous at x is equal to 0. We know a function is continuous if left hand limit is equal to right hand limit and it is equal to f0. So limit of fx is as x tends to 0 minus is equal to limit of x sine 1 by x upon x tends to 0 minus is equal to 0. Sine 1 by x lies between minus 1 to 1. Now this is equal to 0. Similarly, right hand limit of fx as x tends to 0 plus is equal to limit x sine 1 by x, x tends to 0 plus is again 0. Moreover, f0 is 0. So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to f0. Hence f is continuous at x is equal to 0. Now example 5. Given fx is equal to 1 upon x minus 1. Find the point of discontinuity of the composite function y is equal to f(x). Now function is fx is 1 upon x minus 1. We are to find the discontinuity of this composite function. Now fx is 1 upon x minus 1. This is discontinuous at x is equal to 1 because denominator should not be equal to 0. So x minus 1 should not be equal to 0. So x is not equal to 1. So this function is discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Since we are to find the discontinuity of the function, so this function is not continuous, discontinuous at x is equal to 1. Now let us discuss for x not equal to 1. The composite function f(x). So instead of this fx, I am going to write 1 upon x minus 1. Now f1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 minus 1. So instead of this x, I am going to write 1 upon x minus 1. Take the LCM. You will have x minus 1 upon 2 minus x. Now again this denominator should not be equal to 0. It means 2 minus x should not be equal to 0. It means 2 is not equal to x. It means x should not be equal to 2. So it is a discontinuous at x is equal to 2. So hence this composite function is discontinuous at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2.